What's up everybody, this is Missy from Lansing Hoops, and today I'm going to show you a super fun pickup tutorial. This is great for beginners and for intermediate to advanced hoopers who just want to add a little bit of dramatic flair to their dance. And it looks just like this. Alright, today I'm going to show you what this lever pickup trick looks like. It's a super simple one that you can learn in a matter of moments. It's very easy. This is a great one for if you happen to be practicing, you're doing lots of drills, and you drop your hoop, and you've been bending over, your back is hurting, you don't want to bend over and pick up your hoop one more time. This is a great way to pick up the hoop. So what you're going to do is with the hoop in front of you, just like this, you'll just plant one foot on the floor and the other foot slides the hoop up on your toes. Very simple, just like this. And now you can make the hoop act like a lever. So all you're going to do with your free foot is stand on the hoop and pop it up. Now here's what you need to know. If you push too hard or your foot is too close to the planted foot, if the foot that does the work is too close to your planted foot, then it's going to crush the little bones in your foot. So if I put my foot, my free foot, right here on top and I push down, it's going to hurt those toes, the toe bones, and I'm going to get a bruise on my foot. So when I lever, I want to be 4 to 8 inches away from the hoop and push. Pops up in my hands just like that. Super simple. And go. If you want to pop up into your other hand, just put it up on your other foot and lever up. And that's the easy lever pickup. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to Lansing Hoops. And if you'd like tips like this delivered straight to your inbox, sign up for my newsletter at lansinghoops.com. See you next time.